How can business owners resolve shareholder disputes legally? Imagine a business where disagreements among shareholders threaten to slow down progress or even cause it to stop. That's why knowing how to handle these disputes legally is so important. When conflicts happen, business owners have several options to resolve them without causing too much damage. First, the best way to prevent disputes is to have a clear shareholder agreement. This is a legal document that spells out each shareholder's rights, responsibilities, and how decisions are made. It also outlines how to settle disagreements, often through mediation or arbitration. Having this agreement in place helps everyone understand their roles and reduces surprises. If disagreements do arise, open communication is key. Shareholders should talk honestly and try to find common ground early on. Sometimes, just sitting down and discussing issues can prevent conflicts from escalating. When talking doesn't work, alternative dispute resolution methods come into play. Mediation involves a neutral third party who helps shareholders discuss their issues and reach a voluntary solution. Arbitration is a bit more formal. An arbitrator listens to both sides and then makes a binding decision. These options are faster, less costly, and more private than going to court. When internal methods don't resolve the dispute, shareholders can turn to litigation. This means filing a civil lawsuit. There are two main types: direct lawsuits, where a shareholder sues the company or another shareholder to enforce their rights, and derivative lawsuits, where shareholders sue on behalf of the company against directors or officers who breach their duties or act against the company's best interests. Litigation can be lengthy and expensive, so it's usually a last resort. Throughout this process, having legal help is essential. Experienced business law attorneys can draft or review shareholder agreements, guide negotiations, and representing shareholders in dispute resolution or court cases. They also interpret corporate laws and bylaws to make sure rights are protected. Common issues that lead to disputes include breaches of fiduciary duty, disagreements over company direction, profit-sharing conflicts, minority shareholder rights, or exit strategies. Addressing these issues with the right legal approach can help keep the business running smoothly. In the end, the goal is to resolve disputes in a way that protects the business and maintains good relationships. Starting with clear agreements and open communication can prevent many conflicts. If disagreements happen, negotiation and alternative dispute resolution are often the best options. Litigation remains a tool for when other methods fail, but it's best used carefully with legal guidance. By understanding these steps, business owners can handle shareholder disputes confidently and keep their companies on track.